A pleasant morning, grade 2. I hope all of you are doing great today. To continue with our lesson, Fast Changes to the Earth's Surface, let us discuss hurricane for today. Our learning objective is to observe and describe what happens during a hurricane. So a hurricane is a tropical storm with powerful winds and heavy rain. It can cause fast changes to the Earth's surface. Have you wondered how is it being formed? Hurricanes form over the warm ocean water of the tropics. When warm, moist air over the water rises, it is replaced by cooler air. The cooler air will then warm and start to rise. This cycle causes huge storm clouds to form. Why are they considered dangerous? First, because it brings strong winds and heavy rains. Second, the wind makes large, powerful waves that crash at the beach and move sand to new places. Third, it can uproot trees and cause flooding. Next, it can damage houses. And worst, it can develop several small tornadoes. Most of the time, when there is hurricane, the powers are shut down. Are there any questions about hurricane? What is a hurricane again? Excellent. A hurricane is a tropical storm with powerful winds and heavy rain. For today's trivia, did you know that hurricanes have different names? The scientific name for a hurricane is a tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclones go by different names in different places. In North America and the Caribbean, it is called hurricane. But in Indian Ocean, it is called cyclones. Also in Southeast Asia, it is called typhoon. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you all learned a lot. Kindly don't forget to do your task after this. Be safe. Bye.